Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, simply right click here and select run. Now simply type here sysdm.cpl and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to select advanced tab, then click on settings, and we need to select the adjust for best performance, and then click on OK and close this window. So once done, simply right click here, select task manager, then click on run new task, then select browse button, go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now we need to search for system32 folder, so select it and double click on it to open it. Now here we need to find out cmd.exe file, so here it is. Simply select it and click on open. Now check this box, make sure this will be our main path: C drive, Windows folder, system32 and cmd.exe, and check this box for, so the command prompt will open with administrative privileges, then click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute the command, and simply type the command carefully and hit enter to execute the command. Simply type sfc /scan now and hit enter. So this process will take some time to complete. It will take around 30 to 15 to 20 minutes, so we need to wait for it. This will fix your problem for sure, and once the process completes, we need to close it and simply restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you are good to go.